Lead Shiba Inu developer on Shibarium. Beta is near. Shytoshi Kusama, the pseudonymous developer behind Shiba Inu, has posted on a Telegram channel that Shibarium, a Layer 2 solution for the cryptocurrency, will soon enter its beta testing phase. Overall, the Shiba Inu community seems to be excited about the apparently imminent launch of Shibarium, but there was some disappointment after a much-hyped special countdown. As reported, the Shiba Inu team recently announced a special countdown, which turned out to be a site upgrade rather than an announcement of something major such as Shibarium or any other new releases. It remains to be seen when exactly the beta testing phase for Shibarium will begin and whether it will live up to the hype that now surrounds it. A Layer 2 solution in blockchain is a way to increase the scalability of a blockchain network by shifting part of the processing load and related data storage away from the main chain, allowing transactions to occur more quickly. Shibarium, which was initially announced in May 2021, is expected to finally go live in early 2023. The Shiba Inu community has been abuzz with Shibarium-related rumors for quite a while. Recently, Kusama added fuel to the fire with a mysterious Twitter status upgrade that made many SHIB fans speculate about a potential announcement.